I have a phenomenal cocktail I want to show you today. Guess what kind of liquor we're going to use? Yeah, if you've watched this channel enough, you've probably guessed it. We're using a whiskey / bourbon. In this case, it is a whiskey, and it's from Dogfish Head. Some of you guys probably know Dogfish Head from their beer. What a lot of you don't know is they also do some distilling, and they have a whiskey that we're gonna use today. They kind of helped invent the craft beer industry. But today we're gonna use their whiskey, and we're gonna use it for a cranberry whiskey sour. Our ingredients are very, very simple. We have 1 ounce of some fresh orange juice with pulp. We have 1 ounce of some cranberry juice. Some of you guys may have that seasonal cranberry soda in the refrigerator, and that would go well here as well. Then we have 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And then here we have 3/4 of an ounce of water or simple syrup, and I'll show you what I mean there in a second. Here is their Let's Get Lost malt whiskey. It's 102 proof, 51% alcohol by volume. It's fairly good. It's got a unique flavor. And it's not real expensive. Whatever bourbon or whiskey you use, make sure it's one you like, because we're using 3 ounces. There's 1.5 ounces and 3. Let's put our orange juice in, cranberry juice, lemon juice, and water. Now I'm using water, but you could use simple syrup. I just like using water and then hitting it with just a little bit of stevia. And now we're gonna put some ice in. Absolutely wonderful cocktail. You get that orange juice that's balanced out by the cranberry, and then the sour coming from the lemon, mixed with that wonderful Dogfish whiskey. That's good stuff. Make sure you give this a shot, guys. The cranberry whiskey sour.